Did you know your body's internal clock can transform your health if you know how to use it? In this video, you'll learn about your body's natural rhythm called the circadian rhythm, and how things like sunlight, melatonin, and even meal timing influence your health. We'll also share simple ways to realign your schedule for better sleep and energy. Stick around to discover how small changes can make a big impact on your wellness. Your body runs on an intrinsic timing system called the circadian rhythm. This internal clock governs when you feel awake, alert, or tired, and affects countless functions, from digestion to hormone release. Think of it as your biological schedule, syncing with external cues like light, meals, and activity. The problem? Modern life often disrupts this delicate balance. Late-night work emails, binging your favorite shows, and scrolling endlessly on your phone can throw your body clock off rhythm. When this happens, you may experience difficulty falling asleep, low morning energy, and dips in focus throughout the day. But here's the good news. Your body clock is adaptable. With easy changes to your routines, you can reset it and bring your sleep schedule back on track. One of the most effective ways to reset your body clock is by managing light exposure. Natural light, particularly early in the day, is critical for signaling your brain's master clock to regulate sleep. Step outside for 10 to 20 minutes in the morning. Walk your dog, grab a coffee, or simply enjoy the fresh air. On the flip side, too much artificial light in the evening can delay your body's release of melatonin, the hormone that helps you wind down. Limit screen time 1 to 2 hours before bed. Use blue light-blocking glasses, or install light-filtering apps on your devices to reduce late-night exposure. This seemingly small habit switch can make a significant difference. A consistent sleep schedule is fundamental to resetting your body clock. Your brain craves routine. Try going to bed and waking up at the same times every day, even on weekends. Avoid the tempting lie-in on Saturday morning. It feels great short-term, but can disrupt your sleep rhythm in the days that follow. If your current bedtime doesn't align with your goal, make small, gradual adjustments, about 15 to 30 minutes earlier or later each night, until you find the sweet spot. Over time, your body will naturally adapt, helping you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed. For a complete guide on how to optimize sleep, please click the link in the description below. Did you know your eating schedule influences your internal clock? While light is the primary driver, meal timing plays a secondary but essential role. Eating irregularly or too late at night can confuse your body, signaling that it's still daytime and keeping you awake. To optimize your sleep, aim to have dinner 2 to 3 hours before bedtime, and avoid heavy, rich, or sugar-filled meals in the evening. Foods high in magnesium, like bananas or dark chocolate, or drinking warm milk or chamomile tea, can gently support relaxation. Keep it balanced, and let your last meal wind you down, not rev you up. Daily movement is another powerful way to reset your body clock. Exercise helps regulate energy levels and contributes to deeper sleep cycles. Timing matters, though. Try to work out in the morning or early afternoon. Doing so triggers wakefulness channels, setting you up for an active, productive day. Evening exercise, especially vigorous routines, may overstimulate your body and make it harder to sleep. If evenings are your only opportunity, stick to light physical activities like yoga or stretching to signal relaxation. Your brain needs time to shift from work mode to rest mode. This is where a deliberate relaxation routine before bed comes in handy. By creating a nightly ritual, you're telling your body it's time to switch gears. Begin with stress management techniques, such as mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or journaling. These methods can ease an overactive mind and promote calm. Also, consider unplugging electronic devices 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This helps your brain associate the absence of screens with sleep preparation. Simple actions like reading a physical book, dimming the lights, or taking a warm shower can also reinforce relaxation. Find what works for you and stick with it. Your surroundings play an important role in how quickly and deeply you fall asleep. Create a bedroom environment that feels like a sleep sanctuary. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows, and ensure your bedding suits your preferences, whether that's cooling sheets for summer heat or cozy blankets for colder months. Darken your room with blackout curtains to block external light, and reduce noise with white noise machines or earplugs if necessary. Keep the room temperature cool, somewhere between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 to 19 degrees Celsius, is ideal for most people. Small adjustments to your sleep space add up to big benefits. Certain habits might be sabotaging your sleep without you even realizing it. One of the most common culprits? Caffeine consumption. While coffee may fuel your busy mornings, consuming caffeine in the afternoon or evening can interfere with falling asleep later. Try switching to decaf by early afternoon and see how it impacts your nights. Similarly, while alcohol might make you feel sleepy, it can disrupt your deep sleep cycles, leaving you groggy the next day. Limit alcohol consumption close to bedtime or avoid it altogether. Finally, be mindful of napping. While short naps, 10 to 20 minutes earlier in the day, can recharge you, long or late afternoon naps can sabotage your nighttime rest. Sometimes circumstances like travel or changing work schedules throw your routine off entirely. If you're jet-lagged or need to switch time zones, sunlight remains your biggest ally. Expose yourself to natural daylight as soon as possible upon arrival to help your body adjust. For smaller disruptions, focus on consistency in other areas, whether it's sticking to meal timing, gradually shifting your schedule, or emphasizing relaxation techniques. Every small step helps realign your rhythm. The great thing about resetting your body clock is that it doesn't require expensive gadgets or drastic lifestyle changes. Start with small, actionable steps. Maybe it's adding a morning walk to your routine or eating dinner earlier. Build from there, and you'll notice your energy and sleep improving over time. Better sleep isn't a luxury, it's the foundation for a healthier, more productive you. By following these tips, you'll reset your body clock, enjoy consistent, high-quality rest, and wake up ready to tackle every challenge your busy life throws your way. If you found this video helpful, click over to our related video to develop the perfect morning routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, evidence-based health tips, and visit the link in the description for our free beginner guide. What's your biggest sleep challenge? Drop it in the comments to help us create content that serves you better.